We're here to perform radiographs on one of our dogs or one of our patients. This is our radiograph machine. We are the digital machine. We are performing to check for hip dysplasia. This is one of the services that we provide here at Animal Health Services for the reproduction program. What we do, we just take the picture, we submit them to the OFA, and we get certification that the dog doesn't have hip dysplasia.
No. So we need to push it more pressure.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, you're fine. Good boy.
Okay, he's not straight. We need to.
Now we're going to see the results after taking the picture. Here is the image that we're going to be submitting to the OFA, and they're just going to be looking at this area in particular to make sure there's no signs of hip dysplasia.